Hi there. I would like to talk about this place, but sometimes I become speechless myself. You know, when you look at behind me in the picture, there's nothing to say. You know where we are? Isfahan, right, in the middle of the heart of Isfahan. This is the great square of Imam Square here, and right behind me with this camera, you can see behind me, is the mosque, Jami Mosque. You know Jami Mosque, with about 20,000 square meter, is the biggest in Iran. And then on each side of this big square, you can see life of everything you like. You know, life of people, life of colors, life of architectures, and even food around here. So I would like to just talk about this big square. As you can see, many people are sitting here early in the morning to come here, and it's almost all day. You know, some people stay here even during the day. They have lunch around here with all the restaurants that we have around here, and also they relax, have tea, and sometimes they have a friendly chat with their friends and neighbors. I would like to mention that right behind me, as I told you, is Jami Mosque, a very great, beautiful mosque that we are going to show you the inside very soon too. And then on the other side, you can see Ali Qapu. It's a very beautiful structure. It's a masterpiece of a structure that you definitely would not get, you know, enough of it. And then on the other side, we have Sheikh Lutfullah Mosque, which is another beautiful mosque in Isfahan. So don't forget, whenever you come to Isfahan, don't miss this opportunity. Come to Isfahan, this great square, and then visit all the beautiful places here. And don't forget, we are with you with the rest of the program of Iran Travel Guide. Once again, we are with us with Iran Travel Guide, and we are here in one of the greatest cities of Iran, Isfahan. Isfahan is one of the most interesting cities in Iran. So if you come to Iran, don't forget, you definitely have to visit Isfahan. Isfahanese people, or even Iranian people, saying that they say Isfahan nisf jahan. It means Isfahan is half of the world. So if you come to Iran and don't visit Isfahan, it means you haven't seen any place. And here in one of the greatest bazaars of Isfahan, Isfahan has one of the probably greatest bazaar in Iran. In Iran we have just countless bazaars which are very outstanding, and one of them is definitely and surely is Isfahan. And this bazaar is so spectacular because of the domes on the top. You know, it is toppled with a lot of domes, a series of domes, and each dome has a shafts of light through the commerce below. We are going to explore this bazaar, and I'm definitely, you are sure, going to enjoy this visit. So come with us and follow us and see what we're going to see. So let's go. So amazing. You know, whenever you think about buying something, or even if something is in your dream, you can easily find it in this bazaar. The bazaar is made of many different sections, from antiques, jewels, even spices. Even if you need something to cook for yourself, you can find it easily in this bazaar. As you can see on my left, you can see things made of silver, beautiful, dazzling and shining, and everywhere. On the top, your left, your right. Bazaar is a great place. You might get lost in this bazaar, but no, you will find your way easily. Just let your foot takes you wherever they want. You know, don't think about a schedule, don't think about a special plan. Just relaxingly walk all the bazaar. I myself can't even smell the antique, smell the history in the bazaar. You know, without coming to Isfahan, visiting bazaar, definitely you haven't seen nothing actually. As I said, the bazaar is made of different sections, you know, small shops, the workshops actually. Some of them offer you the things that they have already made, and some of them, they offer you the things that they are making at the spots, you know. Sometimes you enter a shop and you see that the workman, I mean a very experienced workman, is working, you know, a skilled workman is working on something very special. Now we're going to probably see something amazing. I mean, everything is amazing actually, but this one is, to me, was more amazing, you know, especially the handmade things. Let's see, I can see the ceramics, I can see carpets, I can see tile works, everything, you name it, you know. This is really interesting. cities in the world. You know, big cities has always been a place for human to just work, do the business, go to schools and visit different places in the city, you know. But when you are in the city, you don't really feel the passing of the seasons. The only thing you feel is getting cold or probably getting warmer. It means probably only 2 seasons you feel. But if you want to feel the real seasons, I mean the 4 seasons, you definitely need to get out of the cities. Go to the villages or small towns where the nature speaks loudly. Actually, when you go to the nature, you can feel the spring, summer, autumn, and winter.